Create pins with Tailwind Create. Using Tailwind Create to create pins is easy. Its dashboard allows you to schedule and publish your pins, and you can use it to choose a design or customize the details. For example, you can upload a picture, change the text and style of the image, or choose from one of the preloaded logos. Once you have your design or photo, you can schedule and publish your pins. You can also add a video and link to the pins to engage them. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss Create Pins with Tailwind Create. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside. What's going on, my friends? Tonight we want to create a video, and it won't be a work from home jobs. It will be creating a pin with Tailwind for Pinterest. And what this is for is people who are entrepreneurs that want to market their own business. So there's still a work from home opportunity, but it's work from home, but you're like a freelancer. So you're working for yourself. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Pinterest is a platform that you can get a lot of traffic, but the main thing that makes Pinterest work is being able to put out pins that are uniquely, and you have to put out about 10 or at least 10 or 12 a day. And you need a tool where you can create some quickly, and that's what's been the whole of reason why people don't do that well with Pinterest, because creating a pin, if you don't have that craft down really well, it takes you a pretty good minute to do it. So let's go ahead and do it in Pinterest Create. Not Pinterest Create, Tailwind Create. Forgive me on that. Tailwind got a software that creates, it schedules pins. It can even create pins. So we're gonna walk you through me doing one of my YouTube videos. So what I'm gonna do is the actual video that I plan on shooting a few pins with is this video here. What I did is I went to my trend to see which one of my videos were trending at the time. So since it's trending, let's go ahead and get some traffic to it. So what I do is I go to create here once you get involved with Tailwind. And I'll have a link below if you choose to want to get involved with Tailwind. So let's just go here. So I got multiple accounts with it. So let's get it on the account that we're gonna operate in really quick. So let Tailwind do its thing. Sometimes it is a little slow. So let's go to, this is gonna be on this particular market here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is that particular is entry level remote jobs. So it's already doing well, because I just created it 4 days ago. So let's go ahead and make it. We're gonna go ahead and make it right. Let's go right here, and we're gonna put just remote jobs. We want to keep it not too narrow, because it won't pick up a lot of pictures. So let's just look at maybe something that I may have not done before. Or if you do use the same image, you'll see why I like this. Let's say maybe, let's use this one right here. Let's just click this. Guy looking on the computer, he might be investigating the job. Now look at this. I'm telling you, when it creates, it rotates, and they constantly putting templates in here. So your pen will look a little bit different. So, and I'm just telling you, this has been a magical affair. So, but let's go ahead and do this so we'll put our content in there. first. Let's go ahead and put our text, the text that we're going to use. And I've already got subject lines that I want to use. This was actually the subject line of the YouTube video. Let's go ahead and copy it, and we will go down here to there. And so let's look at what the text gonna look like in there. Okay, now we go through here and look. Okay, you know what? I know this is gonna sound strange, but ooh, it's a lot I like. But you know, for this purpose, you know what? I'm gonna try this one. So let's hit post type, and let me tell you this, guys. This is a Pinterest pin. This is a Instagram regular post. This is a story pin, and this is a feed pin that goes on Facebook. Just gonna show you how good this will do. Even though this video is strictly for Pinterest, but this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and do all of them for today. Let's go ahead and select all of these. It's ready to go, and let's go to review. And cool. And you know what? I'm ready to go. It's ready for me. It's a little dark, but hey, we'll take a chance. So I got 3 different accounts with this. It's just cheaper for me to do it this way. So now it is preparing. Now while we in here, I'm just going to show you how positive this is. This is how positive this is. Now we going to come in here, and that was the title. This first one is going to go to my Instagram. So this is, I'm just showing you how powerful this is. It wants me to put a hyphen in there. This is grammar. I'll go ahead and do it. So, and let me use, like this site right here. Go ahead and give me some hashtags. And I just kind of be broad here. Let's go, go ahead and do it like this. And we'll copy really quick, just to show you how we're going to do this. Now we'll go ahead and put that in there. And this is how I like to do it. I like to do it like this. Me now, that's all. Now you can put, we're going to do this a little bit later. You can go ahead and put that in there right now. But I like to do Instagram by itself and then come back and do the Pinterest and everything else. So let's come in, and what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and schedule it. That's ready. It'll be ready to go in a few minutes. Now let's get to Pinterest. Now this is IG stories. If you want to do that, I wasn't going to do that on that training. Let's go ahead and get to Pinterest. Here we go. Pinterest. I always do this, guys. I come in, and within the video, I've always put an article, somewhat of 250K. Go ahead and stop that video. And what we do is I come down here. Since this for training purposes, I'll just get a little snippet out here. Normally you want to actually type this from yourself, and you want that to be unique. You get better results at the search engine. But just this training, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this in here. Let's go ahead and put that hyphen grammar. I don't like that. So we're gonna put that in there. It'll be a little description that goes with it. And then when hashtags, you don't want to hashtag it to death. So they say about 5. I just normally get the first row when it comes to stuff like that. Then we come in. Okay, here we go. All right, now let's get our domain. This is the domain that we're going to use. And now, before we go any further, let's just go ahead and do this. We're going to take the same content, all, copy, and this is going to go to the Facebook page. Go back and get this. Now, you wouldn't believe this. This is the craziest thing. If you took this YouTube link and just popped it in a Facebook post, they don't like outside links, but in this case, for some reason, it doesn't stop that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sign up a board, a Pinterest board to this. And what I use the best of Willie D. Jernett, and then I do a distributing fact. So we're ready to go, guys. Now we posted already to Pinterest, to Instagram. Now we're fixing to post to Pinterest and Facebook at the same time. Let's go custom time, and it'll be the short time. It is what, 8:35, 8:36. Let's go ahead and schedule this post. Then schedule. Okay, we're in. Let's go down here and find that particular image. Let's scroll down. All right, and where did we go? Let me refresh. Okay, I had to schedule it. It got scheduled twice, but we'll just leave one in here and we'll just distribute one. Okay, let's go ahead. And what we're going to do, let me tell you what's so powerful about Tailwind. Okay, now we're fixing to schedule this, and we're going to schedule it to boards that we created that match the keyword. All right, and here we go. These boards are already been created. Okay, now, and I got them in a group, and let's get to the group. Remote jobs. See, that is remote jobs. Pinterest like you to put related content on related boards. So what I'm going to do is, this is what I like about Tailwind. I'm going to schedule. So what we're going to do is we're going to schedule for one of them to hit a board on tonight, which is the 20th. And then it'll hit another board 7 days later. Then it'll hit another board, so it won't look like it's spamming. And it does it for you automatically. So what I'm gonna do, I've already set it, optimized it, set it, and then I schedule it. And that is it. That is it. So what you saw is me creating a Pinterest pin in Tailwind Create. You got to see it being distributed to Instagram. You got to see it being distributed to Pinterest, and Pinterest did, and then you saw the Tailwind distributed to different Pinterest boards, taking that was 5 to 6 boards. It would take a month to do, and it just looks natural when you're doing that way. So that's why I like Tailwind. Tailwind is a lifesaver, and I know people want to outsource this, but this is your outsourcer. This is the tool that you set it up and forget it. You can spend 2 hours and schedule enough content, if you have enough of it, to kind of work you for a few weeks. So that's what you want to do. That's what I like about Tailwind. It is an actual, you might as well call it a person, but it's a software that does all the work for you. So what I just done, I just scheduled an Instagram post from the same content, a Facebook page post from the same content, and a Pinterest post from the same content. So it's done for you, and you don't have to go out and pay for this. You know, for that one job to be distributed to them many boards probably costs you $50-$60. So just letting you know. But this is how to create a pin for Pinterest with Tailwind Create. Guys, I hope this training was good for you. But before you get out of here, let me get a like and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully tomorrow we'll be back to our work from home jobs. I always like to sprinkle a little entrepreneur in there, because that's what we all striving for, to work at the house, be your own boss at one time. Take care. See you the next time. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.